What's going on? Welcome to Kanien'keha lesson 21. So in today's lesson we're going to be focusing on I stem nouns and possessive prefixes. So there's actually a really good amount of I stem nouns, but they're more difficult to identify based on the fact that there are no nouns in Kanien'keha that begin with the letter I. So I stem nouns will often begin with either an O or gung. So for the purpose of this lesson, we're only going to be focusing on one word. So that word is Ojokwa, which means a group of people. You might have heard this word in town at Ojokwa video, or Kanien'keha gungwanarodi jokwa. So as mentioned before, there's no noun that starts with an I, but the I that's actually in I stem nouns will often appear when you're incorporating the possessive prefix for my. So my Ojokwa is actually Agijokwa. So this is where you'll be able to tell that it's an I stem noun. So continuing on and following from our previous lessons, we're looking at all the possessive prefixes. So we just did mine. Your Ojokwa, your group of people, is Zanjokwa, his group. Raujokwa, hers. Agojokwa, and its group, Aujokwa. And now we're going to look at duals. So our two, Umgeni Jokwa. Your two, Zeni Jokwa. Their two, Raudi Jokwa. And their two females, or Waskanundu, dogs, cats, Audi Jokwa. And then lastly, looking at plurals when you're incorporating I stem nouns with possessive prefixes, the possessive pronoun for ours, three, is Ungwa, so Ungwa Jokwa. Your three, Zemon Jokwa. Them three males are mixed, Raudi Jokwa. And those three females, or Skanundu, Audi Jokwa. Nyawadzi was a Wadaroragis Kanien'keha lesson 21. What's the Zidwadatka? Onikiwahi. Within this lesson, we use some of the resources from Kanien'keha and for that we would like to thank them and acknowledge them.